Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World Videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to Part C, that is Mathematics, for the 2016 JEE Mains paper. We will be following the test booklet code E. We are given, we are asked to find the locus of centers of the circle which touch the circle x squared plus y squared minus 8x minus 8y minus 4 is 0, which I'll write as x minus 4 whole squared plus y minus 4 whole squared is equal to, now their sum is 32 and we need a total of minus 4, so 36, so is equal to 6 squared. So this is the same as the equation given, which means the center of this circle is 4 comma 4 and the radius is 6. You can actually get this from the original form as well, you know the formulas. And there is an other circle which touches this circle and also touches the x-axis. So if there's a circle which touches the x-axis and the center is at a point h comma k, then k is also the radius, right? So we know that if the circle has a center h comma k, then the radius is also equal to k. So h comma k, we need to find out an equation involving h and k, and it touches this particular circle. We know what happens if two circles touch. Let's say these are touching. The distance between their centers is equal to r1 plus r2, which means root of h minus 4 whole squared plus k minus 4 whole squared is equal to 6 plus k, which gives me h squared plus k squared minus 8h minus 8k plus 32 is equal to 6 plus k whole squared, k squared plus 12k plus 36. Now k square and k square cancel, and the moment k square and k square cancel, you know that this is not the equation of a circle, this is actually the equation of a parabola, which means the answer is option 4, because you'll have x square and y, you won't have any power of k square. So the answer will be option 4, a parabola. This completes the solutions. Thank you.